In this question, we need to find equivalent resistance across terminals AB. For this solving this sort of questions, there are many we are seeing many nodes. In order to simplify this, we are naming the nodes. Let's suppose here we are taking this node as an X. It is a short circuit, then this node also become an X. This is also short circuit, this node also become an X. Let's consider this one is an P. There is no short circuit, the P will not go to another node. Similarly, if you give for Q, now if we redraw the circuit by redrawing, we'll get this sort of thing. Like you see, here A is Z, B is Z, and P. P is this particular node. Here in P and X, this is a node of X. There is a in between P and X there is one 3 ohm, one P and X there will be one 6 ohm. In between P and Q there is a 2 ohm. In between Q and X there is a 6 ohm. In between Q and X, two 1 ohms are connected in series. I am replacing it in 2 ohms. And between Q and X, it is in 3 ohm. I am placing a 3 ohm. Now we simplify the circuit. Now we need to do basic maths. Like 3, 6 and 2 are connected in parallel. Either you do 3 and 6 in parallel, you will get an 18 by 9. 2, 2 ohm and 2 ohm in parallel, you will get an 1 ohm. And 1 ohm and 2 ohm is in series. And 6 and 3 is in parallel, you get an 2 ohm. Then this 2 and 3 is in series and it is parallel with 2. Like it will become 2 and 3, then 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, 6 by 5, it become 1.2. Then 1.2, 1.8 is in series. By adding these three resistance, you will get an RAB of 3 ohms. Means the equivalent resistance across RAB is 3 ohms.